Getting rid of viruses on your phone is important for keeping your data safe, so here are some easy steps that you can follow. First, update your phone's software. Keeping your operating system up to date helps protect against security threats. Check for updates in your phone settings, all right? Next, install a trusted antivirus app. Look for one with good reviews and run a full scan to detect any viruses. Follow the app's instructions to remove any threats it finds. Now, be careful with apps you download. Only get apps from the official app store like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Read the reviews. Check the app's permissions before you install it. All right? Now, regularly back up your data. This way you can get a virus. If you get a virus, you can restore your important files without losing them. If your phone is still acting strangely after these steps, consider resetting it to factory settings. This is going to erase everything, so make sure to back up your data first. Finally, practice safe browsing habits. Avoid clicking on suspicious links and be cautious with email attachments. All right, even in your messages, whatever people are sending you. Keeping your phone secure will help you stay protected. Hope this helps.